The sounds birds make are divided into calls and songs depending on their purpose, length, and complexity. Short and simple sounds that are used to communicate with each other, alert others of danger, or beg for food are known as calls. While many birds like ducks and cranes make only simple sounds, songbirds can sing a large number of complex songs with perfect pitch and rhythm. These songs have a specific purpose: to establish territory or impress a potential mate. Songbirds have also been found to tailor the pitch of their songs depending on the perch that they sing from. What did you think of these songsters?